Of particular interest is the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals' suggestion that even those unlawfully present in the country have certain due process rights with respect to immigration. Gowdy is pointing out that the American Constitution only applies to Americans. Representative Gowdy also said there should be no reason for surprise over the ruling. This court's rulings have a well-earned reputation for being presumptively reversible, the Daily Caller reports. As previously reported by the Angry Patriot, the Ninth Circuit Court has an 80% reversal rate when cases it has heard are reviewed by the United States Supreme Court. Apparently, adhering to the Constitution and the general rule of law is just not a priority for the Ninth Circuit judges. Not only is the Ninth Circuit the second most revered court in the land, but it also had more cases vacated from 1999 to 2008, the time frame recently reviewed by the American Bar Association, than any other federal court in America. Representative Gowdy also commented on the Ninth Circuit's opinion reference to a 2001 case involving illegal immigrants. This case, Zaidvidas v. Davis, effectively ordered thousands of criminal illegal immigrants be released onto American streets. The ruling was handed down just 2 months before the September 11, 2001 terror attacks. It centered on 2 criminal illegal aliens who had been placed in detention for an extended period of time. Immigration officials were forced to keep the criminals detained because they were unable to find a country willing to accept them during the statutory 90-day period of removal. The federal government utilized a statute which allows an attorney general the power to detain illegal immigrants longer than 90 days if doing so is found essential for public safety reasons. The Supreme Court justices disagreed with the way the law was applied and ruled it violated the criminal illegal aliens' rights to due process. How that case directly applies to President Trump's executive order is about as clear as mud. The immigrants and refugees detained after Trump's order was signed were only kept for additional review for a few hours, not more than 90 days. If President Donald Trump's temporary travel ban reaches the United States Supreme Court, the issue of rights being extended to non-Americans, who are not even in the United States, will be decided. It will be decided by a conservative majority once Judge Neil Gorsuch assumes his rightful place on the court. The Ninth Circuit did not review the temporary travel ban order in front of them and decide how the law applied to the words on the page as they were written. The liberal judges decided to instead infer the president's intent behind the lawful order based on his general views on illegal immigration and the comments he made on the campaign trail. It's News Exposed signing off.